Hey guys, welcome. Like, this is really exciting for me because this is the first time I'm doing this class in a very, very long time. Like, in over 2 years, I haven't done one of these classes, and I'm really, really excited to be back. And this is due to popular demand. Like, a lot of you guys have been asking me, taking out, when is your class? When is your next class? And yeah, I'm glad we are here today. Hey guys, welcome to Blacksoap Formulation 101. I am super excited that you guys are here. I hope you guys are excited as I am right now. So a lot of you guys probably heard of this class from YouTube or TikTok. So you probably already know who I am. But if you are from maybe word of mouth or referrals or you don't know who I am. Hi, my name is Sekina and I'm a content creator that focuses on skincare, self-care. I'm also a skincare formulator. So if you follow me on YouTube, you have seen a lot of my recipes. So yeah, and I think I'm kind of a really good authority on black soap because black soap has literally saved my skin. My skin got to where it is today by using black soap consistently. So when I tell you guys about black soap and I show you recipes, I definitely know what I'm talking about. And I've had a lot of testimonies, a lot of people on my YouTube telling me, oh, I used your recipe, I used black soap and it works. Okay, it works. So I'm not one of those people that will come here to come and sell my black soap to you. By the way, I also sell my products, but I am not one to say, okay, buy my products, it's going to work. I will tell you, do it like this, make this yourself, like, because you can actually do it yourself. I don't necessarily have to do it for you. Get the ingredient, do it by yourself, and get the amazing results that black soap has to offer. So we're all about doing it ourselves, getting the results. You even be able to customize your own black soap to your own personal preference because every skin is different. That's what I need you guys to know. When you see vendors selling black soap to you, I do just tell you, okay, everybody can use this black soap. To be honest, every skin is different, and every English is hard, guys. Every skin needs its particular need. So you being able to formulate your own black soap by yourself it's going to be of a very, very big advantage because you can add what you want and you can remove what you don't want. Some people might be allergic to one thing or another, and I love what these black soap formulators don't even put their ingredients on their soap, and you don't even know what's in that black soap. You are using it, you just said the black soap might be reacting on your skin. It might not be because that black soap is not working, but it might be because some of the ingredients in that black soap does not work with your skin, or even you are allergic to some of those ingredients. For example, for me, raw aloe vera gel basically irritates my skin. So imagine me buying a black soap from someone and there's raw aloe vera gel in that mixture, and I didn't know. When I start using that kind of soap, I will literally be covered in rashes, like literal visible rashes, and my skin is just going to be a mess. And I won't know what's in that black soap because I don't even know. I just bought a black soap and I'm using it, and in my mind I'll be like, oh, this black soap is bad, this black soap is not working on my skin, this is a terrible product. It might not be terrible, it might be an amazing product for someone else, but it is not a good product for me because my skin reacts to aloe vera gel, but I didn't know that. But if you were making your own black soap, or if I was making my own black soap, I know that, okay, I don't want aloe vera gel. I might want the aloe vera gel, but I don't want the fresh one because I get irritated with the fresh one. Okay, so that's basically like one of the motive for you to be able to do your own skincare product yourself. With my recipes and tutorials on YouTube, I've been able to help hundreds of people to improve their skin, basically using natural and effective black soap. And in this class, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can do the same, whether you want to use it for personal use or you want to start a profitable black soap business. This is the video you need because I'm going to be teaching you a lot of recipes. Just the recipes I'm going to give you guys in this class alone, you can use to start a business. And I'm going to share with you guys suppliers where you can get your raw ingredients, your raw materials. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how you can basically package your black soap and how you can price your black soap for profit. Also in this class, I'm going to be sharing how you can basically advertise your black soap and where places that you can sell your black soap and you don't even need to shout. Like if you're someone that maybe you are shy, you're not the company that you don't like to come on social media to start saying come and buy, come and buy, come and buy. I'm going to show you guys platforms where you can sell your skincare products, where you can sell your black soap. Also in this class, I'm going to be teaching you ingredient functions, like the staple ingredient, the core ingredients that has to be in your black soap and the ingredient that shouldn't be in your black soap. I'm going to be answering the myth, basically the questions, the myth that people are asking about black soap. Is black soap this? Can I use black soap for this? Is black soap good for this? Should I add preservative? Should I use water? Should I melt my black soap? Which one is best? All those questions that you guys have been bombarding me with on YouTube is going to be answered. Now, the biggest perk of this class that I'm literally going to congratulate you guys for being in my class right now, because the biggest perk in this class is that you are going to be getting my ebook for free. If you go on my seller page, you can see there that my ebook retails for 10,000 naira. But because you are joining this class, you are literally getting that ebook for free. You are getting the ebook for free in this class, and the ebook, oh my god, it is so insightful. It contains so many recipes that you can literally start your own business with the ebook alone, even without this class. Just getting the ebook, you can literally start a business. So I'm going to be giving you guys the ebook. So literally everything we're going to be talking about in this video and the more is going to be in that ebook. I'm going to be sharing that ebook with you guys at the end of this class. So whether you want to make black soap for personal purposes or you want to launch a black soap business, this is the right class for you. Go get your notebook, get your pen, whatever you write in, if it is your iTab or your why do I keep saying iTab? I say iTab for my siblings. Your iPad, whatever, like whatever you want to keep, that you keep information in that basically serves you, get it right now. Okay, but my best bet is get a pen and a book, like a new note for this class.